Friends, how are you all? I'm going to teach you how to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a worksheet based on the names of animals and their babies. I had explained the full explanation and given the video about the animals and their babies' name. You can see that in my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to start the lesson. Special names are given to baby animals. Complete the table below by writing the names of these baby animals. Now we should complete this table. Now they had given a dog. A young dog is called a, what will you call a young dog? I had explained in that video. Puppy. A young dog is called a puppy. So a young cat. A young cat is called a kitten. And you know this too because you have these in your houses like pet. So a young duck is called a duckling. What will you call? Duckling. So a young cat is called a kitten. I'm going to replace it in its place. Okay. A young dog is called a puppy. A young duck. Then a young duck. A young duck is called a duckling. Duckling. You should memorize this. You should see for that you should see my video which I had given. Okay, you should see my video to memorize these things, and you can revise by seeing this worksheet which I had given by B. Okay, then a young frog. A young frog is called a tadpole. In the recycle life of young frog, a frog, you know, in that word you can see that word tadpole. Petakuti, like that one only we call it as tadpole. So a young frog is called a tadpole. A young goat. A young goat is called a name which is used for you all when you are in small age. Kid. What is it? Kid. A young lion is called a cub. And then a young turtle. A young turtle means If you want the Tamil meaning of these animals also, I had described that one in the animal and their baby's name. Okay, so you can see that video and get it. Now a young turtle is called a hatchling. Hatchling. A young pig is called a piglet. What is it? Piglet. A young male horse. I had said that when the horse is in the small age, we call it as foal. But that is for female horse. When the horse is in the small age, we call it for male horse. We call it as colt. Okay, colt. I didn't explain that in that video, so you should see these two videos also. That this one will be a revision for you all. If you see this now, we will go to the next one. Now we will go to the next activity. So, read it. Farm animals and their young ones. Farm animals and their young ones. Filling the blanks with the names of correct parent animals. So, we should fill the blank which is given by the picture. Okay? So, when you see this picture, you will think that this is a duck or goose. Goose is also a type of duck only. So they had given that the gosling is the baby of a dash. So the gosling is the baby of a dash. So I didn't explain this in the before video. So goose. Goose means a type of duck. When it is in the small age, we call it as gosling. So the gosling is the baby of a goose. Okay. Then when you see this picture, you will think that this is a goat. Then the kid, I said, the kid is the baby of a goat. This one is a pig. Then the piglet is the baby of a pig. Then this one, they had given the female name of the horse. The foal is the baby of a horse. So the duckling is the baby of a. Now here see, they had given the picture of the goose and the picture of the duck. So the duckling is the baby of a duck. And then the sheep. They had given the picture of a sheep. The lamb is the baby of a sheep. The calf, they had given the picture of a cow. So the calf is the baby of a cow. Okay, wait a minute. Then the gosling is the baby of a Goose. The kid is the baby of a goat. The piglet is the baby of a pig. And the foal, the female name of the horse. The foal is the baby of a horse. Then the foal is the baby of a horse. So the duckling is the baby of a duck. And the lamb is the baby of a sheep. If you don't know the meaning of these names, you should see the video which I had given in my YouTube channel. Okay? Then the calf is the baby of a cow. Okay, now we'll go to the next activity. So, now animals and their babies. Complete the table below with the correct parent or baby. You should write the parent or the baby's name. So, horse. We have two names for horse. One is colt and one is foal. Usually we use the male name. So, what is the name we should write here for the baby horse? Colt. For goat, that the name which is used to call us also when we are in the small age. Kid. Okay. For horse we use colt or foal. You can write two also. Goat we use kid. Joy. I said joy. I said this name for a lot of animals. But for you all, for grade 6, you should use kangaroo. Kangaroo is the right word for joy. Okay. And then tadpole. I had said this in the first activity itself. What is that? Tadpole. Here see. We use it for frog. Okay. Frog is the parent of tadpole. Then sheep. What is the baby name of sheep? Lamb. Okay. Lamb. And then the gosling. I said this one in this one activity. So gosling is what is the parent name? Goose. And then the elephant. What will you use for the elephant? This name didn't come in the before activities. So what will you use? Calf. The name of the baby elephant, calf. And then the duck is duckling. Okay? Duckling. Wait a minute, now I will write it. And then the goat. What is the baby name of the baby goat? Kid. And then the joy. What is that? Kangaroo. Parent name is kangaroo. Not kangaroo, kangaroo. Okay, and then the tadpole. Who is the parent of the tadpole? Frog. And the sheep. What is the name of the baby sheep? lamb. If you want more worksheet as like this, you can contact me and I will send you it. Then you can revise it and I will send the answer sheet also after you done it. Okay. And then the parent name of gosling is goose. What is that? Goose. And then the baby name of the elephant is calf. And then the baby name of the duck is duckling. Okay, now we'll go to the next activity. Wait a minute. Okay, animals and their babies. Now again, same name. Put in the missing words. Now you should put the missing word. The piglet. The piglet is the baby of the pig. The duckling. The duckling is the baby of duck. The owlet. What is meant by owlet? Owlet mean owl. The baby owl. We call it as owlet. I had explained in that video. So the owlet is the baby of owl. Then the joy is the baby of kangaroo. Then the tadpole is the baby of frog. And the colt is the baby of horse. And the bunny. What is mean bunny? I think you will hear this name in the cartoon. So the bunny is the baby of rabbit. Baby rabbit we call it as in the small age bunny. Okay. Wait a minute. I will write it and then explain. Okay. Now we'll go to the next activity. I had given an extra activity. Now you can write it because you had done a lot of exercises. So these are the words which I had came on the activities. So wait a minute. Okay. Now here are the names of animals. So here they had given the names of animals. Put in the missing letters and complete these words. Now you should put the missing letters. Then G dash O S E. What is that animal? Goose. And here I said this name. Hare. Hare. That means the other name of rabbit. And then the L dash dash N. Then lion. And then what is that? H dash R S dash. What is that? Horse. Okay? Horse. And then the GOA, the goat. And then SHEEP, sheep. ELEPHANT, elephant. So, you know that animals before we had seen these words in the activities which I had done before. So, I will write it. Okay, now goat. Capital T. And then sheep and then elephant. Okay, now I had fill the blanks. So now we'll go to the next activity. So animals and their babies. So when you take horse, you can name the baby of the horse as foal or colt. So here is the foal. Now I had matched it. Now cow. Cow means calf. Cat means kitten. Sheep means lamb. Pig means piglet. Where is it? Piglet. And then the chicken means chick. Dog means puppy. Goat means kid. Duck means duckling. Lion means cub. Kangaroo means joy. Okay. Now I had finished the and then the person means baby. Goat means goat means kid. Now I had finished the Now I had mentioned the worksheet. So I had complete the given worksheet, which is based on animals and their babies. So have a nice day, children. If you have any doubt, please contact me through the number which I had given in the Insta account, or you can see the number using my first video of my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press on the notification button. Then only you will get my videos. Okay, bye.
Okay students, I will teach the other part of the lesson in the next video. If you want to get my videos, please subscribe my channel and press on the notification bell. Bye children, have a nice day.